How to delete all keyframes in the Filmora app. If you have been using the Filmora to edit your videos or photos and you have added the keyframes and now don't know how to delete it all, then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Filmora app just like this. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit. Now you can see I have added the keyframes on the video just right here. So this is the keyframe. You can also add it just like this. Now to delete this keyframe, simply go to that keyframe by sliding just like this. Now we can see I have got one keyframe and it is showing just right here. And now to delete it, simply tap onto this keyframe. Now it shows the minus button instead of the plus one. Now tap on it. Now you can see it has been removed. Now do the same process for all of the keyframes. Now you can see all of the keyframes has been removed. And that's it. This is how you can delete all keyframes in the Filmora app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.